What up, everybody? Today we're working on this Jeep right here. We're gonna put these side steps on it. I already started the process by taking out some of the bolts. The first three are 12s, I think, and the rest of the bolts are 10s. It's like 3 12 bolts and pretty sure like 6 of the 10 ones. So let's get it started. So right here, these are where the 12mm bolts are gonna be, and we just gotta take out these 10 mils. 10 mils, you know what I mean. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 6 of them. Got dirt falling in my eyes and shit. Right now I'm down to the last middle 2, and I'm just, I don't know how it's gonna fall out, so we'll see how this goes. All right, I'm guessing we just pull and pull down. Woo-hoo, we got it.
Nice.
So I think with this one we won't need much. I might need another person, I'm not gonna lie, but this one we don't need the other 6 bolts. I think we only need the 3. So I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna get right back to you guys. All right, first side is fully off. I'm gonna grab the other side step and put it next to it. See how it's gonna fit. We also found this little bag inside the box that brings all of the hardware. So we're gonna put that to use. If we need anything from the old one, we're gonna use it. But let me grab the other side step real quick. The passenger side one, this is how it's supposed to be. So the small step's supposed to be in the back, big step in the front. From looking at it, that's how I can tell. I'm no Jeep expert, but fuck it real quick. I'm gonna just take off the stock ones, and then so I can just hop into the new ones right away. There's Bella right there. Robo! There's that boy right there. EP3 right there. Gunshots over there. I don't know if y'all heard that, but
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
we in there. Hold on. All right. So got both sides off, both of the OEM side steps off, and now I'm trying doing this all by myself. Y'all gonna watch the struggle, and fuck it, let's get into it. All right. So we're right here. I have all the bolts that I need right here as well. Oh, that ain't. All right, so as of right now, I put the first 2 middle bolts, the ones that connect to the, I think straight to the chassis. I have no clue. I'm doing this shit. I'm just doing it. It looks good. Like, stood up like that. Y'all see it? It seems solid. So I'm gonna just put on the rest of the hardware, and I'll pick it up in just a second. All right, so it started raining on me. I had to be quick with this. It's on there. Never mind, it's not on there. This is how it looks. No movement at all. Through the hole. All right, let's try the real test. See if it. Good. All right, I'm gonna get this other side done real quick. I'm gonna show you guys the finishing product. Both sides done.